good day. Let's have a look at this issue I have with my boat trailer. This winch has damaged teeth on this gear. I'm not quite sure how that happened, but it's open to speculation. Definitely is a cause and effect thing happening there. So it should be replaced. I don't know what's up. Maybe capacity isn't enough. This one is rated at let's see, 900 pounds capacity. So it's a bolt-up assembly. Got these holes in the base. It's nice that this is slotted on the right side, and you have some margin to get that bolted up to the bolt pattern on the trailer. So I measured it's about 2.5 inches, give or take a bit. So I've got this replacement here. This one is rated at 1100 pounds, a little heavier, and I went with a steel cable instead of the fabric cable. I don't know how UV resistant this fabric is, but I've had issues with other things before with UV weakening this fabric. So just bolts up. There's two bolts underneath here. I needed a 14mm socket to remove these. So I got one bolt in on one of the holes on the base of this winch, but I have an issue here. It's not this hole for the bolt has to be lengthened a bit. Otherwise, go hunt down an assembly that has the exact same dimensions. I don't think that's likely. Maybe I could find one. I don't know. But I think what I'll do is I'll just take a drill to this, open this up a bit to get that bolt through. It should work. I'm not recommending this as a solution, but I think it should work for me at least. So I will work on that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.